Presentation. Best regard. My name is Lady Tatiana Carriazo Delgado. I am 20 years and my friend thought I like to go for what and is a delicious ice cream. I am from Arauquita, Arauca, and I am currently studying psychology. I live with my mom and my two brothers. On my last vacation, I went to the farm to take care of the cat and the animals. Recipe me to the plate or board. List the ingredients, meat, salt, condimentos, beer, pray. First few preparation, meat should be marinated, wet salt and seasoning. Sacar eras las duras for prudence, tan salt was demi and the condiments made. Later the clean what or aran chazos are prepared to esquiva that means on the and in this way. Proceed to play the in the bonfire. Was much hard, good firmware and not ember the chazos must be played and at ceremony distance from the bonfire and always in a circle when the meat begins thicker at liquid. Beer is spread on its desk and the meat one flavor. Fillet is removed and cut into pieces and a clean table was covered with bananas. This delicacy called Muhar excellent was the play in accompanied by ja- jaca and sometimes smoked potatoes on both chache. Thank you.